Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just filmed a haul video for you guys, like a thrifty haul video, and I realized at the very start of my video didn't film. So I just want to show you the first couple of items that didn't get recorded, but it's just a couple of books and some doilies. So I'll start with the doilies. I found these doilies at a shop here where I live. It is a tip shop, I call it. So it's like at our waste management recycling centre. So basically the workers there salvage any rubbish that's sellable and usable, and you can go there and you can buy it just like you do at a thrift store or a second-hand store. So I picked up these doilies because they're really pretty, and I've never really seen any quite like it. So they kind of remind me of like cross stitch or something, but they're super pretty, so I grabbed those. Also at the same store I picked up a couple of books. So I picked up this book, and as you can see it's in pretty bad shape. The spine has completely fallen off. It's pretty used and abused and loved and then discarded. So I'm kind of excited to give this a new lease of life. I'll probably use the covers to make a new junk journal, and I'll do like a boy theme. I also, along the same thought process, picked up this book called The Boys World, so I thought I could do a couple of boys themed journals. This one's got quite a bit of damage and wear to it as well, but it's a really pretty colour, and I thought that this would be a cute little sized altered book junk journal, so I got that one. The other book I got is this one, and sorry you can hear Rue playing beside me on the floor with some packaging, but I picked this book up from the same shop, and I got this one because it's got some cool map paper in here. So I've already started using this book as well. I'm working on a set of books at the moment. It's taking me forever, but I am working on a set of books at the moment, and so I used some pages from this book. And then this is a book I got a while ago now actually, but I shared a picture of it on my Instagram, and I wanted to show you guys this book because I have it with me, and I've again been using this book already. I really did toss up between whether to use this book or not, and in the end decided to go ahead and use it, and I will use every single last scrap of this book because it's amazing, and it has really amazing imagery and really cool words that are relative. So as I said, I'm working on a set of books at the moment, and so I went through the book and I just pulled out any words that were relative to the themes of the books that I'm working on. So it's just a really cool little children's dictionary book. So there's that one. And the other book I actually got this book for free. I went to the thrift store a few days ago and they had a box of free books, and of course I grabbed this one. You guys may have seen before on my channel that I did fairy tale books, and one of them was Hansel and Gretel, and this is the same book that I used to create that junk journal. So when I saw this book I had to grab it. I don't know though that I'll use this one again. I may just keep this one for my kids because it's quite a beautiful little book, and I've already done the junk journal, so I grabbed that. Next I have a few bits of fabric. So there's this beautiful floral fabric which is really pretty, and then I picked up this plaid tartan fabric, and I thought that I could use this on some Christmas journals. So I need to start working on my Christmas collection if I want to release a Christmas collection this year, because I'm going to run out of time. But yes, I grabbed those. I also found this really pretty hanky, and it's just really beautiful. I had to pick this one up. I have a lot of vintage linens and hankies now because I always look out for them, and so I'm quite selective now about which ones I actually buy because I need to use them up before I buy more. So I try not to just buy every single one that I see, but this one was beautiful so I had to grab it. It's really pretty. Some more embroidered linens that I got. So these ones are actually napkins, and they just have some really pretty cross stitch. So there's a set, I think there's a set of 3, and then this one's like a set of 6. So they're all the same in the stack, but I just thought this was a really pretty, and I could use it on a journal cover or something. So there's those. I also picked up this one. This one was a set of 2 and they just got some really pretty flowers embroidered on there. Next I have this pretty little tray. So this is another little china tray that I don't need. I have a little obsession with collecting pretty floral china, so I couldn't leave this one behind. I nearly did, but I grabbed it on my way out because it was just so pretty and I really love the colours in this. So I'm including this in my haul, even though it's like a craft haul, because I like to use these in my craft room for storage. So I like to have them out on my desks beside my sewing machine, so I can put like my pins and stuff in it as I'm sewing. I've got one over here that has like all my pens and glue and stuff like that, and I've got one over here which has like just random stuff. It's actually off my journal, but Ren pulled it off, so I have to put it back on. And then I've just got some flowers and stuff that I'm going to put into my journal eventually. This one, which just holds like my embellishments. So as you can see, they do really come in handy. And so whenever I come across one that's really pretty, I just have to grab it. And I'm probably going to have to go through and try and let go of some of them because I'm going to run out of space, but I really liked this one, so I grabbed that. The last thing I'm going to share in this haul is this little box set of envelopes and writing paper. So this only cost me $2 and it's so pretty. I love the box too. So inside there's this beautiful flower on the writing paper. I don't know if this is a full set or if some of it's been used or not, but there's quite a few sheets, and then there's all of the envelopes which look pretty much unused, so a little bit of discoloration to the envelopes just from the box, I guess, but really cute, really pretty. And I love the box, and I'll keep the box even when I've used up all of the stationery. So that's my little mini haul. I feel like I'm missing some things, which I most likely am, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the sort of things that I look for and the sort of things that I pick up when I'm out at thrift stores. One of my favourite places to shop for craft supplies because you find some really unique and well-priced items. When you include pieces that are from like secondhand stores or antique stores in your work, in your journals that you make or your art, it really gives them such a unique flair and makes them feel all the more one of kind. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul video. I hope you're all having a really good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.